Yo, what's up everyone, it's SNT here and welcome to a brand new build series on the channel. I'm super excited. Now when the season is over, we got start doing some moped builds and then eventually getting to 125. That's gonna be super dope. I'm super excited to get into this. I have two new mopeds that we're gonna do builds on. They're not looking too good right now, but of course the build series, we're gonna make them look absolutely awesome, like some of my other ones right here. But yeah, if you're excited, smash the like button, subscribe, and let's get straight into it. So right here we have the first one. It's a 2004 Rieju MRX. We have a turbo kit exhaust and for some reason with a gjorde 2T muffler, and then we have 1248 gearing with the dirt bike wheels, but we're gonna take the wheels from that thing over there. It's a 50cc 12mm carburetor and an open air filter, or like a foam air filter. Oh, it's not on there right now, but it's a foam air filter and stuff like that. So it might look pretty cool right now, although it's missing some plastics and stuff. I have them as well. We're gonna change up the plastics to a Rieju MRX because they have more like sharp edges, which I like. The paint looks good on like if you look at a distance, but if you look up close, it's okay. Well, right here for example, it's not the best job in the world. Looks pretty cool, but we're gonna change that up, make that look even better. Maybe have a graphics kit or something. The new plastics, I really like the front fenders. That's I'm gonna keep, but the headlights probably gonna go to get a dirt bike number pad and new plastics front and back, and yeah, just can make it run. So the problem with it right now, it doesn't run. Well, I can get it to start, but it doesn't run. You can't drive it. You can't rev up like more than 4,000. But here you go, brakes. The rear brake is not connected, and the front brake, we don't even have one. So that needs to be fixed, but that should be all good. But this thing is gonna be super sick, first project. But this thing over here is my 2003 Rieju Drak. It was a Rieju RR, whatever you want to call it. So this thing has some more fun things. Although it's missing a cylinder right now, it had a 7cc and a turbo kit exhaust. For some reason they had lost the cylinder and the exhaust, only got the piston. So we are going to do a 70cc build with exhaust and everything like that. But since this is a turbo kit muffler, I think I'm gonna take this muffler, put it on this bike, and take this muffler and put it on this bike with a something like a gjorde 2T exhaust or something like that, which will be really cool. I have some super sick plans with this. As I said, we gotta take these wheels and put it on this bike, but this bike right here is gonna get some super cool things for this. Wait, I actually got a new idea on how I'm gonna do this bike. Maybe I keep the dirt bike tires on here and keep the supermoto tires on here. Haven't really decided yet, but it's a really cool bike. We have some really good plans with this. It's a engine build and also plastics. I want to do a KTM replica. I did a KTM look-alike with my derby, but this is gonna be a KTM replica. We have the lift kit spring, no lift kit like you know you normally have. It's a lifted spring. This spring makes the bike really high in the rear, which is pretty cool. But yeah, we're gonna change it up. It looks really bad right now, or it looks, for being a Rieju RR, it doesn't look too bad, but you know, we're gonna change it up. So this is the second project, but I need more money to do this build, so I'm gonna do this build first. But that's gonna be awesome. I can't wait to do this build, guys. We're gonna do all the fun stuff on camera. Let me know what you guys want to see. We're gonna do a lot of cool stuff with this bike and also with that bike as well. So we're gonna start doing some things in this video as well. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Do you like them? What should I do with them? I have pretty much the entire project planned out already, but if you have some good plans, leave them in the comment section down below. I might do them. Okay, so it's 8 PM. I'm working on the bike a bit, just trying to get it to start. I took out the spark plug and it was really it's really wet because it got way too much fuel. So what I did was I lowered the needle in the carburetor to give it less fuel, and then I cleaned off the spark plug and it started first kick. So now try this, give it a bit of gas, and it starts and it idles. Okay, so now we're trying to go pretty pong. Not gonna see shit, but we're going to test drive it. It's nothing crazy because I have no brakes, but I just want to see if I can get it to rev, because I couldn't get it to rev with the high RPMs. Okay, so you just gotta take this flashlight off right now, but it runs good. It runs really good right now. I mean, I need some fine adjustments, but overall it can go into high RPMs, but it's like not 100%, so maybe new jet, or just going to screw a bit with the mixture, the fuel and the air ratio with the screw that is on the carburetor, because that might be just what we need. And then of course I don't want to get a rear brake at least, because running without a brake is not fun at all. But when we get that out of the way, I think we're gonna be all good. But I think I can keep the dirt bike tires, because I have a really nice idea with this. It's gonna be like a Yamaha YC style, which is gonna be absolutely sick. I can't wait to do this. Super sick idea. The engine seems to be good at least, so that's really good, because I'm saving a lot of money on that, because this is a budget build in the end of the day. So I'm gonna make this super sick on a budget. And then we had my other bike, the Rieju MRX, which is also gonna be a budget bike, but it's gonna be a performance budget bike, which is gonna be super sick, and it's gonna be a KTM replica, I think, so it's gonna be dope. Okay, so now we have the bike in the garage. Now I'm gonna put on some brakes, so that tomorrow, Saturday, I can, you know, tune the carburetor to get it to run good. But it's really scary to try to, like, you know, go through the gears without brakes, because you go fast and if something comes up on the road, you can't stop. So that needs to be fixed ASAP. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So this bike right here, my Rieju MRX, has a working front brake, complete front brake setup, and also the missing pieces for my rear brake. So I'm gonna take that from my Rieju MRX, whatever you wanna call it, and I'm gonna put it on this bike. So that's gonna be perfect. Okay, so if we put this down on the kickstand, as you guys can see, it's just half of the brake caliper. So we're just gonna take this screw right here, which the brake fluid transfers through. We're gonna use that, and also the brake, the thing that holds all the brake fluid reservoir, or whatever it's called. When I use those two, so it's gonna be awesome. Okay, so I just took off this screw right here off the brake caliper, also this brake reservoir from this bike, and I realized I haven't recorded at all, but now gonna get this thing tightened down. Start with this, easy. Okay, well, I'm gonna put down the camera and I'll do this off camera because I need two hands. Alright guys, it's the next day. I have switched clothes and I'm a bit dirty because I was out riding my pit bike. I might make a video on that because that's a lot of fun. So let me know in the comment section down below if you wanna see that. But today I'm feeling way better, things are going my way. So today we're working on the MRX again. I mean, you guys know it because it's the same video, but whatever. I found a new brake caliper with one of those bolts that I was looking for yesterday, and I realized the thread on my other caliper was bad, so we're gonna replace that with this one, and it also looks cooler because that one is black and this one is silver. We're gonna raise up the bike with this lift right here. I can take off the wheel, put on the new caliper, and then we're gonna bleed the brakes. So I'm really excited. Let's get started. The other caliper that was here in the beginning, my dad helped me with the thread, so now we got this thing hooked up and with a new air nipple as well. Just because this thing it was just too much work to get the other one to fit, and we could make this one work. So it's gonna be awesome. Now it's time to bleed the brakes. Let's see if I can do some filming right here. Wait, this might work. You don't really see what I'm doing right here. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna bleed the brakes and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just taken off the handbrake from the Rieju MRX, and we also bled the rear brake, so now that's on and working. So I'm just gonna take off this light plastic right here and also the speedometer to get more access, because we're gonna put on this front brake. So it's gonna have all brakes on this bike, which is gonna be awesome. So it's just hold on here with some zip ties. So we're just gonna break these things off like so. There you go. And then on the other side as well. And there you go. Now I'm gonna take this off after you plug this out. So put it down here with the other plastics. And there you go. Oh, there's a horn up here. I didn't even know that. That's pretty cool. But now let's take out the speedometer and let's route this handbrake. So up here 2 screws, and that should be it. Like this, and there you go. That thing is loose, and let's get this other one loose. There you go. Like, just put the key to the side, and we can lift that off really easily. And always put back the screws after you've taken it off, just so you know where they go. If you like remember it at this moment in time, you probably will forget it. At least I do all the time. So it's really nice putting it back in place, because then you know where they were. Because parts you can guess where they were, like speedometer, you know it's up here. But use these two, like these two Allen keys, or this whatever it's called, the screws right here. And there you go. speedometer is off. Probably need to disconnect some wires down here or something. Yeah, right here, right now. There you go, it's off. And there you go, goes the speedometer as well. So now we have a cleaner look. Okay, it looks kind of bad right now. If I can get the plastic to sit right here, you guys can see which theme we're going for later. I don't think I've said it yet. Maybe I have, but it looks kind of like fast right now. So this can be awesome. This bike, I can't wait to show you guys the finalized idea, but bring you guys through with the project. So we're gonna start off by putting on the brake right here. Super simple, straightforward. So we're just gonna slide this on here. Wait, we need a screwdriver too. Okay, so the brake pads are pushed in, so we have to take the screwdriver and bring them back a bit. And there you go, now I can push this on to here without any problems. Probably to take some lubricant and get these threads lubricated so the screws are gonna go in there easily. Let's do it on the screws as well. So let's put this on right here. It's gonna be awesome, I can't wait. There you go, and let's do it for the other one as well. So it's gonna do spray like that and put it on like this. There you go. And now we just need to put on this brake master cylinder. What I'm thinking is we're gonna run it up like this and put it on just up here. Super simple, super easy. Maybe if I do it like this, put the screw in already. Like this. Oh, smart right now. There you go. Let's do a second one just to get them on there. Okay, that's not on there. Well, putting it on the camera, so you guys in like 1 second. Now got it on there, you're just gonna use some Allen key to tighten it down a bit. Yeah, there you go, now it's on there.
Taking it easy, seeing if we can, you know, get the carburetor to be at least tuned in. Maybe we need to change the jet, but maybe we can just fine tune it and will hopefully work, but maybe we need to get some jets, you never know. But yeah, so I'm going to do a test ride and let's see how it feels. I have lowered the thing right here, the screw. I'll put it down to the bottom and then one lap out, or whatever, one full turn out. So now I'm going to be a test ride and seeing how this works. Maybe putting it in neutral would be a good idea. Dude, the power in this exhaust is mad. Yo, fam, that's crazy. Like, that actually felt like this thing could be fast, you know? I would estimate this thing to probably do like maybe 90 GPS. Like, it could do 100, but I'm not too sure. It's a M6 engine, so probably not. But it's exhaust, yeah, maybe like 90. There's a 1248 gearing and stuff.
Alright, the bike is back in the garage. It runs really well, I'm super happy about that. It needs some fine adjustments, but it works good right now. So I can't wait to finish this build. We'll just show you guys what I have in plan for this. The next few episodes is gonna be mental, it's gonna be perfect. I mean, this is gonna be crazy, I can't wait to show you guys. But that's simply it for today's video. If you want to see more build videos with this MRX, with this Rieju RR, and also a pit bike. Yes, a pit bike. So if you want to see that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also let me know in the comment section down below what you want to see me do with this build and what I can improve on these videos. And also check out my channel because I made a lot of cool stunting videos with my beta RR. And yeah, I can't wait to show you guys some more stuff. But until next time, stay awesome, be positive. It's been your boy SNT, and I'm out. Peace.